Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a draft video already saved. Open the app and navigate straight to Drafts. Tap the draft to load it, then preview quickly to confirm orientation and trim the start or end if needed. Make sure aspect ratio is set to 9:16 and the length fits story limits. Once done, export or select use as story if the platform offers that option, and double-check captions and stickers will fit before moving on. Now you'll refine the draft for story viewing. Trim frames to the most engaging 5-15 seconds, apply lightweight filters and stabilization to keep motion smooth. Add captions and music so viewers can follow with sound off. Place text inside the safe margin away from edges. Once done, layer stickers or CTAs and check pacing by previewing the segment. Make sure Auto Advance or segment timing aligns. You're ready to publish. Tap share and pick your audience, close friends, followers, or public, then preview the story in full. Once you hit post or story, watch the upload indicator. Make sure captions and stickers appear correctly. After publishing, verify playback and sound on another device if possible. If something goes wrong, retry upload, reduce bitrate or resolution, or switch to a stronger Wi-Fi. These simple fixes usually resolve common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.